know what you want. I know what you want me to say. I know what you need. Make it everything go your way. So predictable. Nothing difficult to explain. I know what you want. And I'm sorry, but it won't be. I said, sorry, but it won't be. I said, I know what you want. I know what you want me to say. I know what you need. Make everything go your way. So predictable. Nothing difficult to explain. I know what you want. And I'm sorry, but it won't be. I said, sorry, but it won't be. I said, sorry, but it won't be. I said,
Let's learn So Predictable. It's choreographed by Jean-Pierre Madge Niels Poulsen. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn So Predictable. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to point our right toe to the right side, step your right next to your left, point your left toe to the left side. Step your left next to your right, and then we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we touch our right toe back to face 9 o'clock. As you touch your right toe back, we're going to start a body roll. So you're going to do a body roll over the 2 counts. So we're going to start by going forward with our upper body and then roll back. You're now going to sit back over your right foot. You're going to push your weight forward onto your left, and then we're going to do a big step back with your right, dragging your left into your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your points. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a ball walk. So you're going to step your left next to your right, do 2 walks forward, right, left. We're now going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot and sweeping your left from front to back. We're now going to do a left pony step back. So you're going to step back with your left, hit your right knee up, step down with your right, step back with your left, hit your right knee up. We're now going to step back with our right, and as we do that, we're going to sit over our right foot and pop your left knee up and hold. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our big step back. You're going to do your ball walk. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7. Hold 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our left foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to make a 3/8 turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 4:30. As you do this, you're going to start a sweep. So turning over that left shoulder to 4:30, start your sweep with your right, and then you're going to finish it. So that sweep is going to be 2 counts. We're now going to rock forward onto our right foot. As you recover back onto your left, you're going to sweep your right from front to back. You're now going to step back with your right and you're going to sweep your left from front to back over 2 counts. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just sat and held. So you're going to do your forward half. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We are going to step our left foot back and behind our right. We're going to make a 3/8 turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. Step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock. Step forward with your left. We're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts we just swept. For 7, 8, you're going to cross behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. At this point, you'll be ready to go into your point, step, quarter turn. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your point. So it's point, step, quarter, body roll, sit, push up, big step back with a drag, ball walk, walk, half sweep, left pony, step, sit, back, hold, step, half 3/8 sweep, rock, recover, sweep, back, sweep, behind 3/8, step, half, coaster, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your points. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 9. It will be a 12 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the full 32 counts, bringing you to 9 o'clock. And all you're going to do is stomp your right foot forward. You can slightly bend into this. And you're going to point and look over your right shoulder to 12 o'clock. And that is how you're going to end the dance. So you don't even have to turn to the front. Just look and point, and that will be the ending. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I will do steps. Side walls, I will do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your points. Point, step, quarter, point, body roll, sit, push up, big step back with a drag, ball walk, walk, half sweep, pony, step, sit, back, hold, step, half 3/8 sweep, rock, recover, back, sweep, behind 3/8, step, half pivot, step, half coaster, step, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Point, step, quarter, body roll, sit, push up, big step back, drag, ball walk, walk, half sweep, pony, step, sit, back, hold, forward, half 3/8 sweep, rock, recover, back, sweep, behind 3/8, step, half, coaster, step, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now a little trick for those 3/8 turn sweeps, so you can kind of keep track of where you're going. You're always going to go to your right back corner for whatever wall that we started at. So when we're at 12 o'clock, that 3/8 turn is going to bring you to 4:30 or that right back corner. When we're at 9 o'clock, you'll go to 1:30. When we're at 6 o'clock, you will go to 10:30. When we are at 3 o'clock, you'll go to 7:30. So kind of keep track of where that right back corner is from your starting wall, and that is where that 3/8 turn is going to bring you, so that when we come back around, it will help us change walls. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn So Predictable. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I know what you want. I know what you want me to say. I know what you need.